Munnar. In the hills of Kerala, there is a place where nature feels calm and peaceful. The mountains here are covered in green tea gardens, stretching as far as you can see. The air is fresh and the view from the top is something you won't forget. Early mornings are misty, with clouds floating low, making everything feel quiet and still. It's a perfect spot to slow down, take a deep breath and just enjoy the beauty around you.
Good morning from Kochi. Today is my second day in the God's own country and I just made a little water crossing with the ferry from Fort Kochi towards Ernakulam, which is like a mainland, and I just find myself now in the bus station waiting for my ride to Munnar, which will take approximately 4 hours, and I think it's 80 rupees, which is again very cheap. Let's go! Okay, the 4 hours bus journey comes to the end finally, and I'm just heading to my accommodation. It looks very beautiful. The look. K Mansion. Wow, it's very nice. Hello. Hi. How's it going? Thank you. You okay?
Yeah.
Is recording?
Hi.
Hello.
No. Yeah, just before we send the message, did you see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
All
already
good?
replied for
How was
the
ride from Kochi to here?
long.
But
And before it's very sweaty.
okay.
But now it
How was the
was
experience of the public bus?
unique. Unique experience.
Yeah,
But it was
very
very
nice.
nice, interesting.
Yeah.
But before it was very hot
Yeah, in Kochi.
when we left Kochi for like 2 hours. But now once we entered the rainforest,
There, yeah.
it was better. Chill and rainy.
And if you're tired, if you want to use the common washroom or something, you can just use. After that, we can finish the check-in formalities.
I'm okay. Let's
Okay, right?
yeah. Oh, super nice. And then you have the balcony.
Yeah, you get a small balcony out here.
Amazing.
Usually, standard room doesn't have a balcony.
But you gave me for free.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This room comes with the balcony. This standard room specifically, this comes with the balcony.
Wow, I love it. Pure nature.
You know that sound coming from? That is cicada. You know
Cicada.
Yeah.
That's the birds.
Yeah, it's like an insect.
Oh, insects.
Yeah.
Cicada.
Yeah. It's kind of cricket.
Yeah. Okay, sounds like cricket. Okay, man. Thank you so much. Yes. Finally reached Munnar after what was it? 4+ hours journey on the bus with no AC, and before that I was waiting I think for 2 hours to just get on the bus. So it's been a long journey, but finally very excited, very happy to be in Munnar, in the mountains, secret gem in Kerala, God's own country.
The next day.
morning from Munnar. Just going now, starting the climb up to Lakshmi Hills.
We don't prune it. Teas grow like a tall tree, like a 5 meter, 6 meter tall. Normally they have to grow like this. There's some level. That's why they every 5 years once they prune it, they cut it. You don't cut it, they grow tall. Every 100 years for replant, this. Veggies as well, and then like a white one is a coconut and peanut mixed chutney. Anyone like allergy for peanut?
That's coconut,
No.
or that's peanut?
The white ones is a coconut and peanut,
Okay.
and the white sauce, the yellow sauce is called samba.
Samba.
Yeah, it's a dal, the mung dal or
Amazing.
samba dal. And the white ones, the main thing, the pumpkin.
Breakfast spot in south of India, God's own country. Say hi, guys.
Hey. Body weightless.
For the body weight.
Diabetes, nervous system is good for the green
It's
tea.
very healthy, yeah?
Yeah. White is an antioxidant. Good for heart, lot of antioxidant from the white tea. Green tea is a body weightless. Green tea, some antioxidant, some tea for green tea, both mixed. Leaves, it's black tea.
It's a black tea.
Yeah, the black tea is a tea or caffeine, kind of caffeine. It's good for the black tea. The black tea things, how do they process? They collect the leaves, go to directly the factory. They have to use withering. You heard about withering?
Nature at its best. Trekking through the plantation in south of India. Just reached the peak of the mountain, 1,784
Yeah, nearly.
meters
800 meters.
of the mountain in Munnar. Just look at the view. You can see the clouds moving towards right side and down to the hill. And obviously down there you can see the tea plantation. What a view. Is the cardamom?
Yeah, cardamom. How to see the cardamom flower? And then after the cardamom fruit or seeds, the fruit is going. Scary.
Leaving behind the silent grace of the hills, the road winds down into the vibrant heart of Munnar. The calm of the mountains gives way to a lively rhythm, bustling markets, colorful shops, and the hum of local life welcoming you with open arms.
Francisco, do you want to be in this video?
Sure, why not?
This is Francisco from Colombia.
Hola.
The travelers from all over the world coming to south of India, to Munnar, to see the beautiful plantations, tea plantations, and we saw some coffee trees as well, right?
Yeah.
Arabica, Robusta, different types. You're right, mate.
Are these vegetables?
No vegetables, only cauliflower, gobi.
Order another pakoda.
Tengo que agregar esa experiencia al vídeo de Munnar.
Pero también lo vas a hacer un video en español.
No, just in English. Just bought 3 pieces of different chocolates for 30 rupees. Got some carrot cake, water, and now we're just trying to get some fruits. So for avocado. What are you getting, Francisco?
Guavas and passion.
Munnar gave me more than just sights. It gave me moments, moments of stillness, of wonder, of warmth. Until next time, this corner of Kerala will remain a cherished memory in my heart.